How to advertise your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss several different methods that you can use in order to actually effectively advertise for your Shopify store. So now that you have actually built your Shopify store and everything is ready to go, now you basically just want it to basically reach people. So there are going to be a few free methods that you can use, and they're basically very effective. But obviously, always the paid methods are also going to be better in terms of how much it's going to actually generate. So when it comes to free methods, these are going to be your best friends. These are going to be your free methods on getting actual people organically to your store and having them check out your store and hopefully end up purchasing some of the items that you offer. Specifically, if you just go to Facebook here, I'm talking about going to actual Facebook groups about your specific niche. For example, you're selling some pet stuff, you can just go in and search for specific groups about, let's say, dogs or dog collars, whatever it may be. So you can just try to basically talk there and solve a problem that people are basically, people have a problem and your product solves it somehow. So try to advertise in there without actually being spammy, but more like actually being helpful to others. And obviously you just wanted to go ahead and grab a link for either a product from your Shopify or simply just the link of your Shopify store if that's all you offer, and just go in and paste that in there and just advertise that way. Same thing goes for Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, but that's going to be more, instead of actually advertising with text, it was going to be more like actually advertising with some content, some sort of content. So you can just go and record a video of your product solving a problem, or just you need to be really creative with this and try to push this. I think nowadays specifically TikTok is basically what will get the job done for you, but also same goes for Instagram and Pinterest. So try to generate some creative content and go for them organically. Another form of free traffic is actually driving back people who already visited you. So you can actually do this with email marketing platforms. Some of them are actually going to be completely for free for you to use and set up, like Klaviyo and MailChimp I recommend. Or even you can just go to Shopify and use Shopify's own email marketing platform, which already exists for you. Basically, you're just going to find people and have them subscribe to your mailing list, and that way you can actually just send them updates, discounts, and so much more that you can actually do with email marketing, which is completely for free. So this is obviously going to be another powerful way to get organic free traffic. Next up comes the actual paid ways that you can actually get traffic. This is basically going to be ads with TikTok, Facebook, or even Instagram. So basically, if you just go to TikTok for business, this is basically going to be where you will need to sign up and start adding your campaign for an ad, which is going to be obviously for your Shopify store, and it's just going to really reach a lot of people depending on your budget that you put into it. And obviously this is going to drive a lot more people than the organic could. So basically this is going to really just get things going. So you can just go and pick one or maybe even multiple. So you can just go for TikTok business. Pinterest also does have this, and they do a great job with it as well. So you can just go in and search for each one respectively, see which one is going to be the better one. I guess again at this point right now, TikTok ads are going to be the best, but don't quote me on this. I think this is just how I see things. So you can just go for TikTok businesses and start adding your advertisement for your Shopify store in there, and it's just going to reach for other people. Just like I said, even with Meta, you can just go in and look up Meta ads and sign up in here and basically start advertising for your Shopify store. And again, this is going to drive much more than any organic source, unless obviously you get lucky, but that's aside of the point. But yeah, these are different methods that you can go about for either free traffic methods, which are organic, or paid ones with ads for TikTok, Meta, or even Pinterest. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.